Okay guys, so in past I got some tempered glass for my Oneplus smartphones, and today I have ordered few more things for my Samsung S26 Ultra and my iPhone 17. See guys, generally I never used to apply tempered glass and all these things, but in past GadgetShieldz sent me some samples, and trust me guys, from that time I've started applying screen protectors on my all Oneplus smartphones. But this time, it's not only about tempered glass, I've also ordered the body protectors. So here we have one body protector for Samsung S26 Ultra and one for iPhone 17. And rest are screen protectors. Two of them I've already applied on my OnePlus 15 and 15R, and one will apply it on Samsung S26 Ultra. And the screen protectors which I've applied on my OnePlus 15 and 15R, they are so good. What makes them special is something called aluminum glass technology, which has a 9H hardness rating and reinforced edges, which basically means it gives you top tier protection against scratches and accidental drops. The best part is it doesn't mess up with your screen experience at all. You still get crystal clear visuals, super smooth touch response, and in-display fingerprint scanner also works fine. Another feature which I loved here is the anti-fingerprint ceramic coating. We all hate smudges, but this coating does a great job of keeping the screen clean all day. Plus it's super thin at just 0.3 mm and has smooth rounded edges. It also fits properly with the cases. And in the past video, few people also asked me about the black line around the edges is present on the screen guard or not. Particularly on my OnePlus 15 series, there were no black line around the screen guard. I mean the tempered glass. So that's another plus point. But the installation was slightly different for OnePlus smartphones, where we got the USB applicator which helped applying the tempered glass properly. And it hardly takes few seconds guys. You just have to align the screen protector with the help of USB applicator and later remove the release film and give the screen a quick wipe. But the installation process is slightly different here on Samsung S26 Ultra. First let me talk about that installation process itself. So there's no screen guard, or you can say tempered glass, applied right now on my Samsung S26 Ultra. So this is something what you get inside the box. Here you can see first I'm applying the tempered glass. So this is for Samsung S26 Ultra, and the installation is super easy here. Inside the box you also get the cleaning kit. So make sure you clean the screen properly before applying the tempered glass. So first I'll use the wet wipe to clean the screen properly. And guys, make sure there is no dust around your place where you are, installing the tempered glass. In my case, there are possibilities that dirt might be there because I have a pet which is husky, and you all know how much they shed. So after cleaning the screen properly, I'll do a dry wipe. So here we have the dry cloth. Gently remove everything from the screen and make sure there is no dust particles present on the screen. Once there is nothing on the screen, you can see this is the unit which you need to keep it on the device. Here it's written top side. So you don't have to do anything. Just place the unit on the device. So let me do it once. And once the phone is inside properly, here you can see it properly fits in. You just have to gently pull this paper. So I'll keep it here and I'll gently pull this outside. Once done, keep it intact for around 10 to 20 seconds so that the entire air gets released. After that, lift the tray from the top side. And there we go. The screen guard have been properly applied on a Samsung S26 Ultra, and you can also see there are not even a single bubble present on the screen. So it's that simple to apply a screen guard. I mean the tempered glass. And you guys can see it's so thin that it's very hard to even make out whether the tempered glass have been installed or not. And now let's talk about the body protector. So here we have the body protector for Samsung S26 Ultra. These are the things you get. This is the back side, and here you have the side frame where you have the volume panel and the power button. Then the other side, which is completely flat, and after that bottom and the top unit. So first what I'll do, I'll clean the device from the back side. Here also you get the wet wipe along with the thing which help you squeeze the protector. First always use the wet wipe, after that you can use the dry one. So I'll just wipe my Samsung S26 Ultra back side. I'll use a dry cloth, and once it is properly cleaned, now what I have to do is first I need to remove the first layer. So here you can see it's written S26 Ultra, so the device name will be mentioned. Gently remove this thing and align all the corners properly. Once you have aligned it properly, after that use this sticky paper, hold one of the corner, like stick it on one of the corner and lift it. Once you lift, start sliding it slowly, and this has to be done in a single go guys. So remember this thing. So there we go, it's properly aligned now. The same thing you need to do it other side also. Lift it and slide it. And you are almost 90% done. Properly squeeze the edges. Now it's time to remove this upper layer. So for that again you can use the dust stickers. Gently apply here towards the one corner and lift it. and there we go. And similar way you can apply this side frame protection and the bottom and top protection. Unlike bulky cases or skins, this Flex Armor body protector is designed to preserve the original design of your phones, adding an extra layer of protection. And one of the biggest highlight here is the self-healing technology. Minor scratches gradually disappears over the time, helping the back of the phone stays looking fresh even after months of daily use. It's also vertically invisible at just around 0.2 mm thin. You can barely tell it's installed. And the film is made from military grade TPU, which makes it both flexible and durable. It also adds a bit of extra grip, making the phone feels more secure in hand while adding any noticeable bulk. Both in tempered glass and body protections, you have two options. One is ultra clear and the second one is matte. Overall, I've been using them on my devices and trust me, they are really good. I would say they are slightly on the higher pricing, but actually very useful for your device protection. And if you ever want to remove it, they doesn't leave any residue. So guys, the purchase links can be found in the description below. And if you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no man.